Artificial intelligence is a field within computer science dedicated to crafting intelligence machines capable of emulating human intelligence. The objective of AI is to build systems with the ability to reason, learn, adapt to novel situations, and solve problems. There are key industries where AI plays a crucial role: healthcare, automotive, agriculture, and cybersecurity.
Healthcare.
AI's integration in the healthcare is expanding, leading to more accurate diagnosis, improved treatment outcomes, and enhanced patient care. AI-assisted treatments and surgeries have the potential to make medicine more precise, efficient, and accessible globally. Rigorous testing, validation, and ethical integration into existing healthcare workflows are essential.
Automotive.
Self-driving vehicles illustrate the integration of artificial intelligence into the transportation industry. Companies and researchers are heavily invested in advancing these technologies for a safer and more reliable future of autonomous driving. The evolution of AI is anticipated to enhance in-vehicle experiences, making them more seamless, personalized, and secure, thus improving the overall driving experience and reducing road accidents.
Agriculture.
AI is increasingly employed in agriculture for enhanced soil analysis and weed detection, promoting efficiency and sustainability in farming. It empowers farmers with informed decision making, resource optimization, and more sustainable practices. In addition, AI-driven crop harvesting incorporating artificial intelligence and robotics, which offers increased efficiency, lower labor cost, improved crop quality, and reduced crop loss, benefiting farmers.
Cybersecurity.
AI technologies are pivotal in boosting cybersecurity by improving the detection, prevention, and response to cyber threats. They excel in data sorting and threat detection, offering notable advantages in speed, accuracy, and scalability. Combining AI capabilities with human expertise is vital for holistic and comprehensive cybersecurity approach. AI's advancing capabilities hold great promise for reshaping industries and daily life.